This video guide is about removing the scam that is related to the site defenderscanner.com. Defenderscanner.com. This is a deceptive website that keeps attacking many browsers today. The website displays pretty scary information mentioning that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. This pop-up, defenderscanner.com, claims to be associated with some decent program, but in reality it's a mistake to interact with these fake alerts because clicking on this allow button is also dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked, and if you download and install something promoted by means of these pop-ups, you're actually installing certain potentially unwanted software. So do not click on this Stay Protected button or any other buttons. You may simply be brought to some other shady sites. Also, because of the allow button being clicked, you may start getting the great multitude of ads in the form of permanent push notifications. If you have done that by mistake, if you have clicked on that allow button by mistake, you should access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, go to Permissions, click on Notifications. Now, pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. You will find this site called defenderscanner.com. So you need to get rid of this malicious site from the list and remove any other junk sites from this list. This is the manual solution to fix your browser. Now, I would also recommend you to additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner through this green button, install the software, and start researching the system to detect and delete all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.